Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add the water eject shortcut on iPhone. If your iPhone has been exposed to water or you simply want to clear moisture from the speakers, you can use the water eject shortcut to play a sound that helps push water out of the speaker opening. So firstly you need to open your shortcuts, and from here what you need to do is you need to select this a plus icon in the top right, and from here you need to select this new shortcut one in the top, and from here select rename. And here you need to rename the shortcut to Water Eject, and you need to save. And over here you can simply add any action from the below to create a shortcut here as well. And you need to simply go back, and once the shortcut has been added you can simply open the shortcut anytime as well. And that is it. That's how you can add the Water Eject shortcut on your device. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.